Microsoft Word 2010 Customizing Bullets and Numbers. Customizing your bulleted list allows you to use creative, eye-catching bullets. Microsoft Word 2010 provides many different images to choose from. Select the text that you would like to customize. On the Home ribbon in the Paragraph group, click the Bullets button. The Bullets drop-down menu appears. Select Define a new bullet. Select the symbol for your new bullet by changing the font and selecting the symbol you would like to use. Click on OK and OK again. You will see that the text has been bulleted using your new symbol. Microsoft Word 2010 also gives you ways of modifying the format of your numbered list. Select the information you would like to number. From the Home ribbon in the Paragraph group, click on the Numbering button, and from the drop-down menu, select Define New Number Format. Here you can choose the number style and select OK. And you have successfully changed the numbering style contained in the document.